This is the start of the new video. And that's it. Remember how I said yesterday my truck runs like crap? We're gonna run to the auto parts store. It's a good thing I have two vehicles. O'Reilly. Yeah, but there's different stuff. That shit was expensive too. Let's see if I can get a smoothie. I'm 90% sure a smoothie will fit in this jacket. I didn't mean to get size big as hell, but I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Maybe. We'll see. Fingers crossed. Ha! I didn't even get it on my shirt. Stay there.
Welcome to another episode of Nuts to Butts, where we go to my parents' house for the 8 millionth time.
I think I should probably put on shoes. For now, I'm gonna let Dustin drive on the way back. Nuts to butts. I'm gonna hang on tight like this.
Jesus, where's your key at? Not a brake. Oh, I haven't used it yet.
Life's a joke, you broke. Just one man on the open road. We changed the coil. It's still not firing right. We gotta change the spark plug now.
And it was like, he like pulled out.
Kinda just letting Dustin do everything now.
The gate just hit
The truck is still ruined. So we're gonna go get food now and try some more.
Where are we going to eat?
I don't know. So everything is taken into account now. Like I'm sitting across from the window just to get the lighting on you. Healthy boys.
Well, I feel so late.
Nope.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it won't zoom. Come on, baby. Missed it. I missed the shot, and I'll never get it back. Sorry, everyone that's watching. I tried. I said, what'd you do yesterday? I said, watch the video.
We're doing things.
I think I can in here. Video might get cut short because we're gonna do major surgery on the truck right now.
And if the cam wore out, you're fucked.
The camera goes through the center of the motor. It's got a gear on it. It goes to the crank, right? So the crank can never run time. When you got all those little lobes, the lobes say open, close, open, close, open, close. If that lobe wears down and goes round, or should I do it this way for you, Dustin? then it's not open, closing, but there's a lifter that's hydraulic. Yeah.
If that lifter collapses, then it's a problem in there. So this shouldn't do that.
Okay.
If the lifter collapsed.
So the prognosis on the truck is that it's fucked. I'll be daily driving a motorcycle for a little while. You think you can play Wonderwall?
What is that?
You put on it for all that cushions, 200?
200.
You didn't have that thing out
He
for
played all the time until I
Hayden, could you
Tell you about the lifter, you gotta pull the
I
frickin'
started.
I went to Izzo's and I didn't realize I got the unreasonably large size because the sizes are weird. Look at this compared to my head. You know how unreasonably big this is?
Yeah, no.
I could feed a family of 4 with this. What's up? This is Lil Ryan here, oldest flexor of the century. I got big bank bills. You already know what the hell it is. Okay, I'm done. Let me pick up all my money because I need this. I can't have this floating around. I really... Okay.
Your car don't even run.
My car don't even f***ing run. Hey, Jared.
Hello.
Forgot to update. We're going out. What's up? Hi, welcome back to today's video. We're out here at the bar. Thanks for watching. Love you, bye. Hey, thanks for watching. If you've made it this long, we love you. This is the end of the video. Sorry, it was kind of short. Things happened. Things didn't go to plan. We're sorry. We love you. We as a whole. I'm speaking on behalf of. This is too long. Okay, bye.